Welcome to BBV Vector, and now we are going to find strong companies and Fed options in less than 5 minutes. So this page over here that you can see, this is the dashboard. You are able to see the different macroeconomics, which is the PPI, the CPI, the inflation, the interest rate, as well as the jobless claims, right? So this is a one cockpit that tell you a lot of information with regards to the macroeconomics. Alright, next we can look at the indices, and we are able to see all the top market indices in the market, which is the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, and so on and so forth. We have the 1 trillion Hall of Fame to share with you the largest companies, and which is more than 1 trillion. And also, of course, there are some companies that hit 1 trillion before and went down, like for example, Facebook and Tesla. We also have the sector tab to share with you all the different sector performance. And of course, last of all, if you are crypto investors, you can always look at the crypto market by largest by market cap. Alright, so one stop over here, you are able to see all the information required for you to do your macroeconomics. Right, the next you'll be able to look at, which is the research tab. The research tab will show you all the top news, market movers, economic calendar, your earnings call, as well as your dividend date. Right, so this is the place where you want to find all the big news that will affect your stock. Next, you can look at is the GEM. GEM, this is the place where you find the strong companies in less than 5 minutes based on our GEM algorithm that ranks company according to how strong they are. Of course, there's a disclaimer over there, and you are able to see the top companies that are being filtered or ranked according to how strong they are. You can see MSTR rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, and you are able to research one by one by looking at the C analysis tab. Right, you are able to see the GEM ranking. This is based on the 7,000 over companies. We have rank 1, right? And then you can look at the GEM's formula, the GEM, telling you the green, which represents strong, yellow represents fair, and red represents bad, right? So you want to find strong companies, you must see a lot of green, different indicators over there that tells you that it's a strong company. Of course, not looking just at that, we have the company description, the general information, key financial ratios, income statements, as well financial health and focus ratios to tell you how strong they are in terms of quantitative perspective. You might also want to go into the technical tab to understand people are buying or selling this company based on trend, right? And you can see that neutral. At this point of time, people are not looking to buy or sell. So these are additional information that you might need, right, in your trading journey. And last of all is to understand the company based on its company news. We can share it in a point of macroeconomic perspective, where we are able to identify if there are any changes in the market based on the news. Alright, so now we are able to go to the next point, which is the GEM's option ranking, where we are able to find strong Fed options that are backed by our GEM's ranking system, right? Meaning that we are only investing and trading options that are strong companies. Yeah. So you can see there is a SWBI over there, and you can click on how to apply to understand what to do. All right, and you make your informed decision. Everything here is for education purposes and to share with you what is the expiry date, the premium you can collect, as well as the strike price to enter. Right, back to the page, we have 4 strategies over there for you to choose. We have the funded income strategy, the RBS rolling boat strategy, we have the multiple type vertical spread, and the bear cost spread, multiple type vertical spread. And if you are not sure what they are, you can always click on the I button to understand what exactly they are over here in this page itself, right? So you can see now based on the bear cost spread, which is a bear strategy that you might enter for options. The first one is called symbol CPE with a sector of energy, which is backed by strong ranking of 209. You can always click on how to apply again to understand how you can get that 20% return. Alright, so this is how we go and find strong companies and Fed options in just a few clicks of a button. Of course, you can also click on the portfolio to mimic and simulate an account, which is your portfolio, and see how it can perform in the next 5 to 10 years. And last of all, you can always go to the learn button to understand about what are the different stocks and options, as well as what are the different macroeconomics that will affect your trading journey itself. So overall, we are able to find everything in this app itself. You can find your macroeconomics, you can find your microeconomics, you can also understand, learn, and then most importantly, to earn as well. So what you need to do next is to connect to a broker account and start to do your trading. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question, feel free to go to the Discord channel and ask us any question there. We'll be there to serve you. Thank you, and see you in the next video.